So I'm going to be washing the tomatoes. Wash it thoroughly clean. So I'm going to put it in a pot. I'm going to add water, just a little water to cook it until it's softened. Then I'll set it on the fire to get cooked. So it's going to until it's softened. So it will take at least 20 minutes for it to get cooked. So you can see the tomato is actually soft now. So it's in a blender and I'm going to blend from here. So I'm going to blend without adding water into it. So here is it. So I'm going to be putting it in a strainer. So when I'm done straining it, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm done straining. You can see it. So this is it. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of pepper into it. Just a little bit of salt. And half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to give it a stir. So we're going to set it on the fire now. So it's on the fire. So when it starts boiling, I'm going to actually stir it occasionally to check on it. I'm going to close. So you're going to stir in intervals. You see, it's a bit thickened, so we'll get it off the fire now because we don't need it to be too thick. So it's very okay now. So I cooked it for about 10 minutes, depending on the quantity you're making. So some might take longer. For mine, you can see it. Okay, so you can see how it is now. So you wouldn't let it cool down. If it's cool enough, you won't let it cool down completely. So it's cool enough for me.